Hi, all. My name is Beth. I'm CEO of Three More. Today, I wanted to talk about some of our new features, but more importantly, why we have them. Uh, we specifically added a score that is a proprietary score based on the level of complexity associated with a given vulnerability within your individual technical stack. So, let's take a look at that. I've talked through how you can get to vulnerabilities through here, but we're going to go a different route. We're just going to start with actions. So once you click on actions, there's going to be two things. You can look at repository actions or alerts, which are our CVEs. You'll notice that we have a new score here, which is our score. And you can sort that and you can see what are some of the top vulnerabilities that you should probably take care of first. In this case, we see in a previous video, I talked about Next.js. So you would be able to find Next.js here. In this case, we're just going to look at EJS, which is the top one. This is going to provide us a little bit of information, some of the same information that we've seen before. You can identify the repositories, the owners, the fixed version. You can click here for links for additional help for your prompting. And then from a detail perspective, we have descriptions and additional information, which is our score, the EPSS percent, etc., as well as a graph to identify all the connectivity of all the connectivity associated with this vulnerability. And there you have it. Now you have an additional score that is based on the connectivity of your code and infrastructure to help you identify and have some of those conversations with your AppSec team. So AppSec and DevOps can actually work in concert with each other. All right, until next time, thanks all.